Bon dia, good
Good
morning.
morning. So, yesterday night after the fish was really nice. We are still a
Yeah,
big, and we woke up really late. So we decided to have seafood for breakfast or for lunch, or skip the breakfast and have lunch. Well, anyway, so our friend Bjorn is actually checking which is the best one because he already been here, and looking, yeah, it's checking. So now we are choosing one of these amazing seafood places, and well, we are going to have breakfast.
and a lot of water. A lot of water. You need that.
Hello, nice to see you back.
Yeah, you remember me.
Yes, I do.
Yes. I remember you too.
What did you do, Bjorn?
We do nothing.
It's fine.
Just being a regular and nice client.
Thank you very much. What did you order?
The chicken short.
Ciao, até amanhã. Bom dia.
Nice people, you know.
Yeah, we're
They are
eating. Look at
50 years
this.
old.
Look
Both,
at
like all the
this.
time, chilling all the time. It's
Yeah,
really nice.
that's what I need.
Everything is okay.
Big
And the food are really nice too.
I'm a winner.
You're not. Well,
This
I
time,
think he is the
But
winner.
I can't reach.
So, bon appetit. I think I can't wait more. Ciao. So we are on the beach now. The guys are already in the water. I don't really feel like. So we are here. Tomorrow we are going to leave for towards Spain. We are going to travel hitchhiking most likely, or we'll see what we can find. This day has been really nice with our friends and colleagues. We enjoy life. We enjoy really good food, really good fish, and sometimes it's okay. Here in Albufeira, it's really a touristic place now. There's a lot of people already, even if it's summer just started. Well, it's not even started here, but there's a lot of tourists, so of course the prices are higher. So we are going to look for some places that are less expensive and more natural, more authentic. Because here, of course, when you are in a touristic place, everything is made for tourists. So we'll get in really nice places, I'm sure, and we will keep you updated.